Okay, so this is the first. I decided I'm gonna do my own laundry because they have this little washer here. I'm really not sure if this thing is also a dryer. I'm hoping, hope it is, because if it isn't, I'm gonna be walking around Thailand with some wet clothes. So I stopped at the 7-Eleven here and got some detergent to wash my clothes with. Interesting looking package. And it looks like it says USA, but I'm sure that's some other foreign word. Okay, and that's it. Okay. So I'm getting ready to open this up and then put it in the little detergent thing and then follow the instructions on programming it. And hopefully what we'll end up with is some clean clothes. So I'll get back to you because I got to set this down in order to do all of that, and we'll see it once the bubbles start. Okay, so I put the little dishwashing, the laundry detergent, I placed it into the little receptacle. Okay. Now I'm getting ready to close the machine. And let's see what to do. So I'm gonna program. Power on first. Then okay, I'm gonna try quick, because I only wear these once each. Then what am I gonna say? He says wash, water level, let's go mid-level. Function is gonna be wash, and I like that 47 minutes. Well, that's 31 minutes. Wash, rinse, and spin. So let's wash and rinse. All three of them. Okay, let's start it. See what happens. So the bubbly's starting to go in. Have no idea whether it's cold or hot. I may end up with all orange clothes because I put in the t-shirt. See, that's why I drop off my laundry, so I don't have to know all of this. This is complicated, more complicated than repairing a computer. Anyway, let's see what happens if I open it. Will it crash it? Because I'm anxious to see whether the water is cold or hot. Oh, it keeps running. Okay, so it's kind of cold water. Not bad. So you actually get to play with your clothes while you're washing them. Okay, so while that's doing that, I'm gonna make me some breakfast. Well, correction, lunch, because I went downstairs and had breakfast. And I've got some sticky rice and some coconut milk. I love those together because it's like just the butteriest rice you've ever had in your life. And it's not really buttery, it's, what do you call it? It's the coconut milk that makes it that way. So what I had done was, when we were at the market the other day, looking at different things, I got some bean sprouts, okay? I got some chicken. I got some chicken someone had was grilling out there. Okay, and this is what is left from that. And then I have coconut milk. And then I have that fabulous sticky rice. So I'm gonna combine all these. I hear thunder. So I wonder when the soap goes in. He says he's washing. We'll check him in a second. So anyway, we're gonna come back to this. What I'm gonna do is take this sticky rice, I'm gonna dump it into this bowl. Then I'm going to add some bean sprouts and some coconut milk, and then heat them all up in the microwave. And it should be done shortly. I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so we have it all there on the plate. Here's the bean sprouts on top of the rice. The rice, I just poured the coconut milk into the bag, and then that's the chicken. I broke it up and put a little water on it, and that's gonna be my lunch. So after I eat lunch, then I'll be working on my laundry. And we'll see how all of this turns out. I don't see bubbles. I hope it's gonna make it clean enough. Okay. Talk to you all later today.